Hello friends, I hope you all are fine. Friends, I am back with another amazing video, which is about uh, cryptocurrency and how and best cryptocurrencies in United States of America, USA. The best cryptocurrency in United States of America, USA is Ethereum coin. Ethereum is one of the most populated coin in the United States of America nowadays because it's uh, widely believable coin it's in a trend. Cryptocurrency is you know fiat currency. It is a currency which is used in a widely range. Cryptocurrency is a currency that does not have any objections. It is not a fiat money. It's a fiat coin. It's a cryptocurrency. It's a currency that is well managed with a decentralized system by a system that is not managed by the persons. It is a decentralized system. It's a decentralized thing which is usually managed by the currencies by the cryptographic graph. So cryptocurrency is widely useful currency, and you can earn a lot of money from cryptocurrency in doing while doing trading in cryptocurrency. You can invest money in Bitcoin, in Dogecoin, Ethereum, and other coins. You can earn money from that while investing in a Binance app. Yeah, there are also a lot of others, apps in which you can do trade, and from trading you can earn money. So this is about. So this is the thing about cryptocurrency. It's a decentralized valuable system operated by the valuable persons in the world. एक मिनट आया मैं एक मिनट
यार क्या रनिंग किया यार वो भी 11 पे 25 रह गए बंदा बॉल नजर ही नहीं आ रहा कुछ गुड रनिंग यार मैंने भाई खेल लगा लगा कौन के बैठे नजर नहीं आएगी भाई इसमें लगा नजर ही नहीं आ रहा बॉल क्या करूं मैं ना खेले ओए आउट कितने हुए
So cryptocurrency was the currency, one of the most famous currency in the world. So this is my thing about which I talk about. I love to talk about this thing
उन्नीस दस पे नौ पे उन्नीस तुम दो छक्के यार टोटल दो छक्के
So friend, I hope you like this video. Take care. Bye.